Welcome to my science tutorial. In today's video, we're going to be talking about cytokinins and their functions. Okay, so what is cytokinin? What you have to know is that they are adenine derivatives. Adenine derivative. And one main character of theirs is their ability to induce cell division in tissue culture. And then this is usually done in the presence of auxins. If you are watching this and you haven't watched our tutorials on auxins, then you can check that out. It will give you a better understanding. So just like we said, they are adenine derivative. That simply means there might be other forms in different types, but the most common type that is found in plants is the cytokinin, called this is the structure we have right here, call it cytokinin. Alright, so this is the structure of cytokinin, and it's the most common type of cytokinins that we have in plants. And cytokinins are produced at the tips of roots and in developing seed. So how do they get transported? So they move via the xylem, they move through the xylems and get transported from the roots to the shoots, And so what are the functions or the effects of cytokinins in plants? The first one we'll talk about today is is cell division. Cell division. So usually cytokinin can be applied exogenously to induce cell division when they are preparing tissue culture in the presence of auxins. So that is one function of cytokinins. And in endogenous, that is talking about right there in the plant, it also works in actively dividing cells, that is in shoot tips, talking about the meristem, but also in young fruits. So we said it is applied exogenously in the presence of auxins. Okay, and then number 2, it induces the growth of lateral buds. Lateral bud. So cytokinin causes the release of lateral buds from apical dominance. And alright, so this can be done practically in production of transgenic plants modification. Now the third function of cytokinin is in expansion of leaves, and this is induced by cell enlargement. So it causes the cells of the leaf to expand, and this actually causes a balance in the plant, that is, having the cytokinin reaching the leaf helps to also increase the total leaf area to match the extent of the root. Another function is the delay of leaf senescence. Let me put that here. Delay of leaf senescence. This is actually talking about the suppression of aging in the plants, and actually makes the plants to look younger. And number 5 is the enhancing of stomatal opening, and this also takes place in some species. And number 6, it also helps in chloroplast development. Chloroplast development. Okay, so these some of the functions of cytokinin. What it actually does in chloroplast development is it helps to convert etioplasm to the chloroplast. That is when you get its accumulation of chlorophyll, and then you apply cytokinin. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.